Welcome back, graduates. So today I'm going to be showing you how to add another amazing feature to your store that's going to actually help you quite a bit with Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and just kind of getting you through the holidays. You know, the biggest thing is, I'm sure you get a lot of visitors, right? But, you want to display your sales and what you got going on and try to get people to, hey, look, check this out. You can save some money, buy this right now, before it's too late. And we're going to show you how to do just that. Now, as you can see right here, you got this little tab here that's swaying back and forth, doing all kinds of cool things. And as soon as you click on it, boom, you have sales going on here. Check this out. And you can drag it around. It works great on mobile as well. Let me show you how that looks on mobile. So I'm making a mobile view. And let's go and make it, let's use iPhone or something, because I like iPhone. There you go. Look at that. How beautiful is that? Super nice, clean. It works very, very well, and it's going to kind of really put your sales front and center for your visitors. Now, there are some big brands out there that actually have this type of feature, and it is custom. So you know what we did? We're like, why don't we make this for our people, like you watching me right now, showing you how to add this. So, anyways, enough rambling on. Like every other video, let's get right to it. I'm really excited for this, and I really want to see you guys succeed. So
3, 2, 1.
Here we go! As always, you're going to end up in your Shopify admin. You're going to click on Online Store, and you're going to go to the theme that you want to edit. Now, this is a live one, so I don't want to edit this one. I want to edit this one. So now let's go to Preview, as always. So I'm going to close out of this, and we do not have this feature here. So let's go and edit code. You want this cool editor? I do have a video somewhere showing you how to use this Chrome extension. It's called Liquify. We did not make it. I do not claim credit, but it has changed my life. As always, you're going to have inside of this folder, when you actually purchase this and download it, you're going to have a README promo slider .html. You're going to open up in your browser. You can always right click, open with Google Chrome. I already have it open. So let's move this out of the way so there's no distractions, because I have the attention span of a squirrel. So please read through this entire document. You'll have some little notes here. Note 1, a feature that can be missed, blah, blah, blah. This snippet works on any Shopify theme. So it works on any Shopify theme. Now, if it does not work on your theme, please send us an email. We take support very, very seriously. Like I'm telling you, support is our #1 priority. And that's why a lot of people like to purchase our products, because we support you day in, day out. You can email us, we'll go and respond, we'll go and fix it right on your store for you at no additional charge. Now, we do offer installation fees. If you don't feel comfortable installing this, you can just, when you go and purchase on our website, just click the installation fee. And guys, a lot of you are like, oh, why does this cost money? Because our time is valuable, just like your time is valuable. We're a small business, just like you, trying to make it in this tiny little world. So honestly, it's very inexpensive. If you don't drink Starbucks for a week, you can afford this. It's a one-time payment. You're not paying monthly for it. That's why we like making these. We love making these snippets because it's a one-time purchase, and we want to see you save money, reinvest it in your business instead of throwing it away at apps. I mean, nothing wrong with apps. This is a much better solution, in my opinion, because it's baked into your theme. It's integrated into your theme. It doesn't cause excessive load. So what we're going to do, step 1, you have to add the following files to your store, and we label each one. So this is sections. There's 3 assets in 1 section file. So we're going to go into the folder, and each folder is labeled. We have sections, and we have assets. So let's start with the assets first. Just get it over with. Now, these are RTF files. You should be able to open them up on your computer. Now, if you're feeling fancy and you want to go and just drag and drop them in, I'll show you how to do that as well. So let's close out of templates. Let's close out of layout. Let's go to assets, because that's what we're doing. We're going to add some assets. Now, the document tells you to add micromodal.min.js. Now, you may already have this already in your theme, which most likely we already have it, because this is from another tutorial, I believe. Well, let's try to find micromodal.min. So we already have this, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete the file. I'm going to delete it. I'm going to go through and delete all these files so you can follow along and understand like how this actually works. So we've got eg promo slider.css. So I know I don't have these, so let's go and add micromodal.min.js. We're just going to open this up. Open, we have micromodal. We want to copy all of this content right here. Whoops, not like that. First off, we actually need to go create that asset again. Let's refresh, because sometimes the editor breaks. I don't know why. It's always better to refresh every once in a while after you save everything though. So assets, create new asset, and see how you can just drag and drop this here? So what you could technically do, if I can open this thing back up, is you could rename this to micromodal.js.js, which is what it's calling for. Micromodal.min.js. Okay, so I misnamed this, unfortunately. So let me go and rename this file to micromodal.js. Micromodal. Okay, so now we have this. And what you could do is rename this to .min.js and just drag it into this little editor here. You could do that if you wanted to, but for this case, why don't we just actually follow along and just open the file up. And we'll create micromodal.min.js. We just copy this. And don't copy the .js because Shopify already adds that for you. So create blank file, you pick JS, and see how it does .js? You don't need to add the rest. So you just do micromodal.min, done. And we're just gonna copy this right here. Save. Now we got micromodal.min. Let's move on to the next one. We need to create eg-promo-slider.css. eg-promo-slider.css, done. And we're gonna open up this file because it says CSS. Now we've got the CSS here, right here. Control C. Let's paste this in. We're gonna hit save. All right, now let's close out of these files because the screen's starting to get cluttered. Open up the folder back and move that over. And let's go back to the README, and we're gonna get the eg-promo-slider.js. Copy that, just like so. And then we're going to go and close out of this one, and we're going to add, and then that was JS, right? That was JS. Yes, it was. Add new asset, create a blank file, go to JS. Again, don't copy the .js from the README, just because the Shopify already includes it. Hit done. And then what we're going to do is we're going to open up the JS right here. Bada bing, bada boom. Control C. Paste it, save. Close out of it. And now, last but not least, eg-promo-slider.liquid. And we don't need to copy the .liquid extension. Go here, and we know it's a section because there's a little, oh wait, no, that's an asset. You know what? Just realized, all right, so this was supposed to be assets, and this is supposed to be section. Apologize for the README. Just when you do download this, it'll be fixed for you, all right, I promise. Because this is supposed to be, so anything that's .liquid, you could technically be an asset, but this is a section file because it has the settings. So eg-promo-slider.liquid is actually a section. I know this because this is what I do all day. You know, we're a very smart team of developers, right? Add section. And we're going to paste that in, eg-promo-liquid. That's a section. And we're going to open this up. We're going to go to sections, and we're going to open this up right here. And then let's close out of this. And we're just going to copy all this in here. And we're going to get rid of all of this in here. We don't need it because we already wrote it. We're going to hit save. And then we're done. We did it. We did it, guys. We did it. So now the next step is to go and find your footer. So we just go here, and it's in layouts theme.liquid. So copy that. Let's go to, now if we're cool, and you have that awesome extension, which you can see the video here somewhere on how to use this, you can literally just go in here and find section.footer, and it shows you in the theme. Now, if you don't have this footer, you're still cool. Trust me, you're still cool. You just like to do things a long way, which I understand. So did I at one point in my life. So now I go to theme.liquid, and you can go into the file. You can do Control F or Command F. You can paste it down in here, paste it here, find next, and it'll find it for you. And then what does the step say? It says add it just below like this. So we're going to copy this, right? Go into here. We're going to hit enter, include that there, and we're going to hit save. But before we do that, I'm going to show you that this snippet is not activated. It's not installed yet. We don't have it. We're not ready for it. So we're just going to hit save now. We're going to go back to our customizer and refresh, and it should magically appear. There we go, eg-promo slider. As you can see, it's right here. Now there's no, we don't have any promos going on yet. Now you can disable it. You can have it only show on the home page. You can change your background color, your text color. You can change the text here. You can change the blur opacity. You know, also keep in mind, sometimes what you're going to have to do is refresh, just because Shopify certain things, you know, if you go and change it, it has to reinitiate the JavaScript, and you know, there's some things that kind of go wrong with that. But anyways, we can change the opacity, the blur. We can make it even crazier blur. We hit save. It should reinitialize. There you go. See how it's extra blurred? I like to keep it around here, you know, 12, keep it in the middle, maybe 10. You know, you have today's offers, modal title, and we have the button right here. You can have arrows, you can have pagination. You can also adjust the gap. Rewind determines whether to rewind the carousel or not. You can change the image orientation. You have different breakpoints. So if you don't understand what breakpoints are, just Google CSS breakpoints, and you'll kind of you'll get a good idea of what that means. But let's go and add some content. Select an image. Caffeine day, baby. Hit select. You can paste a link to, say, a collection of some sort. So we'll just do collections all. Some title goes here. Really simple stuff, guys. And we can just hit that. There you go. Look at that. How awesome is that? Click shop now, goes to your collections. Honestly, it doesn't get any better than this. I think it's a great feature. I think it's gonna help a lot. Now, if you don't want it to, if you want it to show on all pages, just uncheck show only on the home page. I think it's a good option. It keeps people aware that you have sales going on, and you know, if you do purchase this, we do release updates for our snippets. We'll add new features, add new settings. We want to hear from you. We work for you. That's like, we literally work for you. Think of us as like developers in your back pocket over here, where you know, you need something, you tell us what you need, we'll go and create it and we'll put it on our website so you guys can actually purchase it, increase your conversion rate, increase your average order value, help you make more money, change your life. Life changes is changing your life around and improving is what we're all about. We want to help you do that. So anyways, guys, that's the end of the video. If you like it, please you know, leave us a like, subscribe. It definitely helps us out, helps us stay motivated to keep creating new content, new features for you. And we want to hear from you. We want to know what you want next. Like, being serious, like, I want to know what features you want next. And I don't know, I'm just really excited. I like creating these things. I'm seeing a lot of people, you know, coming back more and more, getting new features. We have a lot of repeat buyers. Our support is top notch. Honestly, check us out on Facebook. Look up Ecom Graduates Facebook. You'll see our Facebook page. We have almost 100 reviews, and so far the feedback's been great, and I'm pumped. We're a small team of 3. You know, it's myself, Ellie, Alvin. You know, and this is what we do all the time. We create new features for you guys, and we want to see you guys succeed. So thanks for watching.